Hello friends, in today's tutorial I just want to show you how to create search box in Excel. How can we just create a search box in Excel so that once I type a name, once I type something here in a given cell and I get the whole uh, values that I'm searching for. If it is a name that I'm searching here, maybe I just I'm just searching Justin, and immediately I get the name with all this data that belongs to Justin. How to do it? Let's go step by step and just build a search box. In this tutorial, we are just going to combine three different functions to build a search box. We'll see them. Here you can see on my PC, on my toolbars here, I have developer, and developer is going to help me to draw a search box. You can just use a search box. Let me type search, a search box. You can even type here. You can just type search box here. Let me feel. I'll just want it to look different from other cells. You can just type search like this and just start searching, or you can just draw a search box. To draw a search box, we are just going to use the developer tab to draw a search box. If you don't get developer tabs here, if you don't see developer here, you can just go to file. You can go to file, you go to more, you go to options, you can go to customize ribbon. You can just go here to main tabs and see here. You can see developer, and once you don't see it there to the tabs with other tabs, you just have it here but not checked. To get it there, you have to check and click OK, and you just get developer here. Or you can just right click here anywhere. You can just right click here and you go to customize ribbon, and you just go to the main tab and you just check developer and click OK to get it. And guys, here you just go to developer, and within developer here you go to control groups, or here we go to insert. Here on the insert, you can see here there is down here there is text box. You can see it here. There is a text box, and this text box is that one that's going to help us to insert a search box. I go to insert, I go to this text box, and here you see I have something like a pen, and I just go here. Yeah, let me go back. I just want to insert it again. I come here and I just want to draw it in this cell and make it active. You can see here it is on cell I3. You can see it is I3, and now here it is not active. You can see that I cannot type something. It is not active. How to make it active? Don't think it's complicated. How to make it active? I just have first of all to link it. I just have to link it to the cell, even if it's here on this I3, on our cell I3, but it's not linked. Once I tap something here, it cannot be immediately in the cell. I just did all these things to draw this search box. You can see it is movable. I can move it from one position to another position, and let me just put it here. And I just want to make it active. To make it active, I right click here and I go to properties. I go to properties here. I go to properties, and within here there is an open tab. Here you can see within it here you can see linked cell. This is where I'm just going to put I3. I'm just going to put I3 in this range. I put I3 here to link it with the search box. I go to console here and I just go to light click. I go to properties. Here type I3, and now I can cross properties tab, and now I just leave design mode. You can now see I can type. Let me type my name here. Let me type my name and see. I've typed my name in a search box, and let me go to design mode and try to move this. You see, this search box is directly connected to the cell I3, to the cell I3. Whatever I type here will be immediately in this cell. Let me adjust it. It's now adjusted, and I leave design mode. Here guys, I now have my search box, but you see it's not to type in it is possible, but I'm not searching something. When I try to search something in it, let me for example type Justin. You see there is nothing here. We still have a journey to build our search box. What am I supposed to do now? I'm just go to start with the first function that is going to help me to build my search box. The first function that we're just going to use is search function. Let me just put it here. The first one is search function. Yeah, this is the first function that we are just going to use. I told you that we're just going to combine 3 functions to build our search box. Let me just go here. Let me copy from first name to the last name, because I just want to put them here to build the region where I'll be searching. You can see once I just type something here, immediately it will be here in this range. And let me here start my activity to create a search box. I go to equal sign. I told you that the first function that we're just going to use is search. Let me type search. You see it here. I open parentheses and find the text. What does it mean? Find the text means, where shall I find the text? This indicates where to type. Where shall I type the text that I'm just going to search for? And within text, you see we have find the text, within the text, and start now. Find the text is where we are just going to type the text, where the text that this function is going to search will be found. It will be found here in I3. Within the text, we select the range. And let me just type I3. This is where I'm just going to find the text. I put a comma. Within which text? Where I'm just going to search that text. I'm just going to the first name. Let me select from up to down, or you can just have you can just hold the control shift down, and here I cross parentheses and I hit enter. You see here there are numbers. These numbers are indicating that let me for example type J, let me type Justin, let me type Justin. Here you see how values have here I have one, it is one indicator that I have Justin in this cell. You can see there is nowhere else I have Justin. I have Justin in this cell, but let me scroll to the left to see here is Justin in this cell. You can see in other cells there is no Justin. You can see here I have Justin, but the Justin is in the position 1. You can see here it is in the position 1. This number indicates the position. This is the position. It's not this numbering, the position. Once I type n, any number, you can see n. Any in this number, in this cell of Justin there is n, but here n is on the position 6. We can count. You can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just you can count on Justin. This n will be on the 6th position. This is 1, U, 2, S, 3, T, 4, 5, I, and 6N. It indicates that only the position. As you see now, I'm just still developing my formula while I'm on the starting. This was the first function, search box. To make it work, I just have to add another function, and that function is called Isnumber. Isnumber function. Isnumber. Now this function is going to help me to see the value. If there is no value, I will no longer see these values here, this error box. I will just, if the number is there, I will just find it true. If the number is not there, the system will just put false. Let me go ahead and type and combine our formula. Now here in front of search, I can just type it here, or I can just go here up. I'm just going to type Isnumber function. I open parentheses. Here value. What am I going to search to find the value? It is in this formula that I put before. I cross parentheses, I hit enter. You see now, once I type J, I find it true or false. True or false. Where is it true means that the number is there, the rata is there, and where the rata is not there is no that rata J that I typed, there is false. Let me type Justin. You can see I have true. It means Justin is only in one cell. You can see only in one cell. Now I keep on building my formula, my search box. You see now it's not enough. Once I type Justin here, I cannot find what exactly want. And to get what I just want exactly is I have just to put another function, that is filter function. That is filter function. Filter function. I'm just going to add filter function on my formula. I told you that I have to combine three functions to build or to create my search box. I go ahead here again. I'm just now to put search. To put filter. In just before Isnumber. Now filter. I put a filter function again. I'm just combining them. A filter. I open parenthesis. Here there is array. Where is the range? I'm just now going to select the whole table. All data here, just going to select them so that once I filter, I get the exact data of everyone that I'm searching. I just select the whole table here up to here. This is the range that I'm just going to filter. You can see here. I now put a filter. I open parenthesis. I've now selected the range B7 to H56. I'm just going to put a comma here. And here there is array include if empty in the filter. I'm just going to put array. I already put an array. The range, it is from B7 to H56. Include what? I'm just going to include those two functions that already typed. Isnumber and search. And then I put a comma. If empty, I'm just going to type no result found, or I can just type no record found or not found. I can put whatever I want once the value that you are searching is not there. I'm just going to go back. I put a comma there and include what? Include all of this from Isnumber to search function. And there at the end, I put a comma. If empty, I can say no record found or no result found. Or I can say, let me simply type not found. Let me say no record found. And what I do now, I quote again. I cross my quote and I put a parenthesis, and then I hit enter. Now you can see. Once I type Justin, all the data about Justin are there. You can now see. You can see all data here. There is first name, last name, gender, combination, year of birth, score, and decision. It means now my search box is now complete. It's now active and it's working well. Let me try another person. Let me put maybe Julian. You can see there are two Julian, and you can see here the gender combination. I can just put you can see here. I can just see the one I want, if it is this one or if it is this one. Guys, you can see how you can just create a search box. Let me type my name. Let me type my name here. Let me type my name and see what's going to be. No record found. This is what I put there once there is no result. No record found. You can see it. Guys, you see that you can just, once you have a very big list of data and you are just searching for someone, there is no need to go to search, because you will just search for only one value. But once you build a search box like this one, you exactly build something. Let me put Peter. You just build something that will give you all data. Once you are just searching for someone. Once I type J here, you can see all letters that are starting with J. All names that are starting with the J are there. Let me you can see many people there can type. Let me, for example, type Ivan's there. Ivan's there, and you see failed. You can see the decision. Once you have data here, a long list or a big list of data on your Excel sheet, you can search for someone, and this is how you can build a search box. Guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and hit subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and see you next time.